If you are having trouble sleeping, you need to check this out. This is the incredible enVy pillow, and it was created by 2 registered nurses. It is a pro-aging pillow that is great for your skin, helps you sleep better, and helps prevent wrinkles. Here's how it works. It comes with a 1-inch latex lift for higher loft. Place the lift at the bottom of the pillow inside the zippered pillowcase. For back sleeping, place your head at the center, it's the sweet spot, and allow the pillow to conform to your head and neck. You'll feel subtle neck traction and weightless head cradling. For side sleeping, place your regular pillow between your knees, position your head and neck in the center of the enVy pillow for support and minimal face contact, or move to the edge for more comfort. For side sleeping, use a pillow between your knees. For back sleeping, use a pillow under your knees. Check it out today and give yourself a better night's sleep.